Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Kanchan, your English teacher. This time I have taken writing skill note making. First, what is note making? Note making is a process of reviewing, connecting and synthesizing ideas for reading or lecture. So, the question on this topic contain 8 marks, and what we do first, how to make notes and make notes of the given passage and then write summary. So these two questions are there. First you have to make notes of the given passage and then you have to write a summary of that passage. So how to make notes? First, careful reading means you have to read the given passage carefully. It may be about 400 words, it may be about containing 500 words. You have to read it carefully. Then logical sequence. After that, divide the complete paragraph into 4 or 5 paragraphs. Then follow format. First give title for the complete paragraph. Then as you have divided the paragraph according to you in 5 or 4, whatever you have divided. So whatever you have divided, give the subtitle or subheadings accordingly. Then use abbreviations to write. So must use abbreviations like for people PEO, then dot, like for generation GENE, then dot. So you have to use short form. Capitalize first letter of a combination like USA, UK, ATM, etc. Then use common abbreviations like science for SC, dot science, and then Mr. MS, etc. Use common symbols for increasing, rising, this symbol, decreasing, falling, this symbol, and then less than, more than, use these symbols, because we don't have to write complete sentences. A minimum of 4 abbreviations should be used. Notes should like headings, then subheading. This is format. First you give title for the complete paragraph, then after you divide the paragraph, write again subtitle of the concerned paragraph in this way. Then write short form, what has been given in that paragraph. Then whatever the abbreviations you have mentioned, you have written like this, so you have to write here in box. Then write a summary. So this is format of note making. First you have to write down the title for the complete paragraph, then divide the whole paragraph in 4 or 5 paragraphs according to you, and then give subtitle and use abbreviations to write notes of the concerned passage. Then in the last, write summary. In summary, don't copy the sentences from the passage, write your own sentences. So this is all, and write your abbreviation in box. Okay, thank you and Jai Hind.